guys, what's up? Okay. I went to a different gas station. I went to a store and I wanted to get another 19-ounce and a half hazy little thing by Sierra Nevada. They didn't have it. And then I was starting to get angry because people are just in the way and it's taking forever. And it was just getting me mad. And then I tried to buy some other beer out of a 4-pack and it cost like $12. And so I guess I'm not allowed to pull a beer out of a 4-pack. So I put it back and I left. And I was going to go home and I said, I'm going to hit up this other gas station right across the street I never really go to. I go there. I find 75 cent. Don't believe me? 75 cents. 7%. It's a 21st Amendment. Bitches. So I got 3 of them. Well, yeah, I got 3 of them. I only have 2 left. Yeah. So we got that. But, one sec. Old one. Alright. I also have these big boys that I've been drinking for a while. These are $1.90 a piece. 6.2%. But, I am just stoked about these 75 centers. Made my day, let me tell you. And in appreciation, my brother hooked me up with this horn. You might want to follow him at Drunk Dad at Home channel. If you enjoy this type of thing. This thing holds 3 beers. You might have seen one of my videos on that, but I'm just gonna do this quickly. I know they ain't flat, and they're not old, because the guy told me there. He pointed these out. I'm like, what? And he's like, I'm like, yeah, they're probably old though. And then I look at them like 75 cents. I'm like, they're probably old. And he's like, no, they're just left over from. And then he like had to explain to me for some reason that people take beers out of 6-packs, which, whatever. But I actually had music in the background and it stopped right when I started the video, so sorry for silence, but I guess this is more important anyways. Jeez, look at this thing. They definitely don't look like, you know, flat. But well, there's 2 beers in there for you. And just wanted to say, one more day of work to go tomorrow, and then I'm on a 4-day weekend. So, cheers. Oh. Oh man, I can't even burp without almost puking. You'd think you'd be able to burp a huge burp. But there's too much like beer behind it all. There actually is a little bit left. Oh. They're not bad at all. They just definitely taste the 7% in those. But that was the video cut out on me, and I deleted some more stuff and made room to do this stupid little part to finish the video. But these I'll probably save because I think my wife will get not too pleased with me if I get too crazy. No one's home yet. But actually, I'm making this second part. I was just going to leave it at that, but I just wanted to say, actually, I didn't want to say anything. This thing's cool. I didn't really get to give a good review about it. It is cool. I just kind of have it setting out. It's Grim Frost, but my brother formed this thing out for me so it sets up straight, and I just kind of leave it on the table and I go about my day, and then I kind of look at it and I'm like, yeah, I think today's the day, and I fill her up. But maybe the next one I do, I'll do it with Junk Dad at home. Maybe we'll do one together soon. So on that note, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.